Hi everybody, this is our biodiesel machine which is going for Ivory Coast, and this is 200 liter per batch machine, and I'm going to explain what are the components. So now this is our catalyst tank, and this one is the used cooking oil tank. This is our mixing tank, and this is our separation tank for the used cooking oil. That is the trans-esterification process. This is the separation tank, and this tank is for collecting of the glycerin tank, and here our recovery tank, and then here is the condenser for that, and this is the water tank, and now here is our control panel for the entire process, and here we have automatic and semi-automatic also, and this is our filtration system for the biodiesel, and this is our filtration tank. These are the overall component of our system, and the entire system is mounted in the frame, and you can move anywhere. You don't need to do anything. So this is how we built our system. Thank you.